And in example 4, we're going to show one other technique. Again, this is bonus. This is if you detect a pattern and you want to apply a formula rather than going through first, outside, inside, last. So we see this and we could say, oh, first, outside, inside, last, and combine like terms. But if you see a pattern, I'll write this down here, where the polynomials are the conjugates of each other. The conjugates have the same terms, but they have an opposite operation. So 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3. 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3 are the conjugates of each other. So x plus 7, x minus 7, they are the conjugates of each other. X plus 4, x minus 4, they're the conjugates of each other. X plus a third, x minus a third, they're the conjugates of each other. If you are multiplying conjugates, when you do the outside terms and the inside terms, they're going to cancel each other because the outside terms are going to be negative AB and the inside terms are going to be positive AB. So the middle terms will cancel. So if you are multiplying the conjugates of each other, the formula is, the result is a squared minus b squared, which is exactly what you would get if you FOILed. But let's apply the rule, and then we'll do FOIL just to prove it to ourselves. X plus 7, x minus 7, applying the formula, I know that the answer is going to be x squared minus 49. Because it's the first term squared minus the second term squared. So let's just prove that to ourselves by doing FOIL. First, x squared. Outside, negative 7x. Inside, positive 7x. And then last, positive times a negative is negative. And my middle terms will cancel, and I'm left with x squared minus 49. So again, this is all gravy. This is all bonus if you remember these patterns and want to apply this rule. If you don't want to apply this rule and you want to FOIL all the time, that's okay. You'll still come up with the right answer. But let's practice applying this rule difference when you're multiplying conjugates. So x plus 4, x minus 4, they're conjugates. My result is going to be x squared minus 16. The x is squared and the 4 is squared with a minus in the middle. And again, here are conjugates, so my result is going to be x squared. My outside and my inside would cancel. And then 1/3 times 1/3 is 1/9. 1/3 times 1/3, you multiply your numerators and you multiply your denominators. This one actually we do use a lot. When you see you're multiplying conjugates, a lot of times you'll just go, oh, okay, first term squared minus second term squared. So go ahead and try practice 6 and practice 7. At least take the time to try to practice the formula. Practice trying to apply this special rule. And then, you know, when it comes to doing your own homework or on a quiz, if you don't feel comfortable applying it, that's okay. You can do FOIL and you'd still get the right answer. So we're done with 5-4. Where we use the FOIL technique to make sure we don't forget any multiplication of our distributive property, how to square a binomial, the sum and difference of two terms, and those are the special products of multiplying your binomials.